Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang. And we're doing it, what is this? Vertical today, so you know it's another house showing. So today, or no, yesterday, I went and saw two houses. One I'm only showing you because the other one was a repeat. I just was being nosy. But this first one I saw, it was in the location I wanted. It was a ranch. And I fell in a hole in the backyard. I wish I had gotten it on video. Like my foot just slipped in there. And I was like, oh my God. But the reason that I did not put an offer in it, although I thought it was a really cute house, like very nice house, was that I asked the listing agent like if they had any offers, and she was like yes, they had 5 cash offers already. And honestly y'all, in these days it's just so hard to compete with cash offers. If I hear there's that many cash offers, I just like leave it alone. And also I started to think that I feel like a lot of houses have been going up in that neighborhood. Oops, sorry. A lot of houses have been going up in that neighborhood, and I'm starting to think like a lot of investors are purchasing there, and so I don't really want to live with a lot of renters. But that being said, let me show you what video I got. I didn't want to get people's faces, so I wasn't able to get a really good view of the living room. But here goes the video. Let me know what you guys thought. Would you have put an offer in on this house? I definitely would have, had it been in a regular market. It was super cute. It was only like, I think 1096 in square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And I believe it was listed at 155, if I'm not mistaken. All right, y'all.
I'm sorry?
You already have an offer?
Oh yeah, we have about 6 offers in from different investors. Thank you. Yeah, it's been going, I mean, before I even put up the open house, like I had a lot of people contacting me about it. So yeah, it's a hot property, and then for the area and the price, it's just, you know.
Oh, it's very cool.
Yeah.
This is what I can have. Thank you.
Of course, thank you for coming. Of course.
Okay, so there is a side door.
Can I go in the back now?
Absolutely, yes.
Because I have these on.
You can pull them off and go into the backyard.
And how
then
do I-
there's a gate right there, you can just exit out the gate.
Okay, thank
Close the
you.
gate behind you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
And I have a cookie.
Right here, yes, ma'am.
Cookie.
No, she has.
She wants a cookie.
You want a cookie?
Yeah.
I don't want to give her one that's in it, and then we'll clear. So, these are chocolate chips, and these well, there were some with nuts back then, but those are gone, so. But yeah, all the chocolate chips are gone.
No, I say when I say she's not my baby, so I don't want to give her something. She's allergic to it. I don't need it.
And then we also have, chocolate chip, I don't know what kind you want for her.
I let her know something. I don't know what to give her.
Oh. That's a really good sized room, y'all. I thought it was 3 bedrooms. That's 2. Oh, okay. Have you gotten any cash offers yet?
Yes, ma'am, I have about 5.
Okay. Thank you. You said, now I know you said you got offers. Do you have cash offers?
I'm sorry?
Did you have cash offers already? That's what I thought. I don't know. Who wants this one? Who wants a closet space?
Okay. How are you? Let me know if you have any questions. Of course, please sign in. Make sure you put on some sanitizer and then help yourself to a cookie as well.
Hello.
Hey, how are you? Good. Good. Henry?
This is outside of the kitchen door. There's not a back door out of the back, but you come through the kitchen, so that's nice that there is a way to get out. I have seen some things that looks like the homeowner, whoever, has not taken the super best care, but nothing super bad. So it's a really nice house, but she did say they had 5 cash offers, and honestly, not much beats a cash offer. So it is what it is. I think it's the next door neighbor.
Okay.
I don't see anybody back there. There's no way to get back in the house except through the house, I think. So